Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring 10 effective home remedies for treating chest infections naturally. Whether you're dealing with a cough, congestion, or general discomfort, these remedies can help ease your symptoms and support your recovery. First up is hydration. Drinking plenty of fluids is crucial for thinning mucus and keeping your throat moist. Aim for water, herbal teas, and broths. Citrus fruits can also boost your vitamin C intake, helping your immune system. Steam inhalation is another effective remedy. Inhaling steam can help loosen mucus and soothe irritated airways. Simply boil water, pour it into a bowl, and lean over it with a towel to trap the steam. Add a few drops of eucalyptus oil for extra benefits.